Hi guys, it's been over 15 years since the first version of Android was released, yet the issue of how to clean storage on Android remains very relevant for owners of devices running the green robots. I am Myky from the Electronic Team channel, and today I will show you how to clean your Android phone. But make sure to watch the video until the end, because there's a gift waiting for all viewers. So here's my Google Pixel. I use it as my secondary device mainly for taking photos and videos because it does it so well. Besides that, it has a bigger screen than my iPhone, so it's more convenient to watch videos or scroll through social media. But sometimes I encounter glitches due to the memory being full. So let me show you how to find what's taking up the most space. First, let's go to the most basic part of the phone storage and check what's taking up the most space. As we can see, photos, videos, apps. This is where the largest files are stored, while it's clear with photos and videos. What should you do if, for example, YouTube is taking up so much space? Most likely you have offline video downloading enabled. There are also cached videos. Let me show you how to clean this up. There will be two buttons: Clear Storage, Clear Cache. If you press Clear Storage, YouTube will log out of your account and clear the entire viewing history. So be careful here, as we need to clear cache only. That's it. You can see how the free space appears right before your eyes. You can also delete apps that you rarely use. This will save a lot of space, especially if it's games that you no longer play. And the most significant issue, photos and videos. If you are using Mac, I recommend immediately go to the link below the video and downloading the MacDroid app. MacDroid is a cool app that answers the question of how to free up space on Android from Mac. It lets you connect your device as a simple folder in Finder and allows transferring files from your device. Yes, you've got it right. If you can't delete photos, you need to transfer them to another storage device. For this, I have a special drive with my archive videos and photos. Additionally, you can see folders on your Android device, making it more convenient and comfortable to clean Android phone. You can download MacDroid from the App Store or the developer's website. I'll leave the link below this video. Once you have installed MacDroid on your Mac, you will immediately see 3 modes of operation: Wi-Fi, ADB, MTP. Personally, I connect via Wi-Fi. For this, click the Connect via Wi-Fi button. It will immediately show you instructions on how to do this, and that's exactly what I'll do now. First, you need to enable the developer options on your Android smartphone. It can be done easily. For this, go to Settings, find the Build version, and tap on this line approximately 7 times on your phone. On my phone, it is located in the About Phone section. Next, go to the developer options, find the USB debugging option and enable this feature. Once you've done that, return to your Mac and select the version of the device you'll be connecting. In my case, it's version 11 and higher. If you're not sure about the Android version on your device, you can check it in the About Phone section. Next, you need to enable wireless debugging in the developer options. Go to this menu item and find the pair device with QR code option. Point the camera at the screen of your MacBook, which displays the QR code, and that's it. The device should automatically connect. Alternatively, there is a manual connection method that I've discussed in the video on how to transfer files from Android to Mac wirelessly over here. And that's it. Now you can easily download or upload files from your Android device and manage its storage. By the way, the speed is really good. It's not like Bluetooth at all. MacDroid also has other cool features. For example, working with files directly on the device, or you can transfer files from your phone directly to your external disk. And the lack of limitations on the number of connected devices expands my capabilities even further. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more about how to backup files from your Android, I recommend checking out this video. Download MacDroid right now and try out its feature. And as I promised, here is a discount coupon from the developers so you can take advantage of the pro version of the app. Subscribe to the channel and give it thumbs up. Until next time.